Hey guys, welcome back. There's like a snowstorm coming to where I live, and I'm like pretty nervous. So subscribe for me. It's probably gonna be okay, but like subscribe if I die, then like and subscribe to my channel. It's not snowy right now, but it might be snowy very, very soon, And tomorrow morning it's gonna be really cold. And I'm sad. And it's gonna get like 16 inches at my house. So it's crazy, guys. Make sure to like and subscribe. If I don't post a video tomorrow, then you know what happened. I died. So like and subscribe. I gotta get my warm stuff on. Let's go.